This recipe is not just cost effective, but it will give you a perfect cake with a great structure. You are welcome to my channel. We are going to be weighing out 500 grams of all-purpose flour, and I am using a digital weighing scale to do this. And just as seen in the video, you are going to be using exactly 500 grams of all-purpose flour. Set that aside, and in a clean bowl, sieve the already weighed out flour and make sure to take away every impurities that have been sieved out. The next I'm going to be adding after sieving this completely is the baking powder and salt. Once this is added, I sieve that as well and then set that aside. In another clean bowl, I'm going to be adding half cup of melted butter and half cup of vegetable oil. Then follow with 300 grams of sugar. This I'm going to whisk together using my hand whisk, of course, and then I started off again by adding eggs one after the other. You can choose to mix after each addition, but I always tend to mix after I've added all the eggs, but it depends on you. Once this is well incorporated, the next you'll be adding is your milk. A cup of evaporated milk plus a cup of water was what gave me the milk mixture I've poured right into the oil and sugar mixture. Mix that together until everything is well incorporated, and the next bit is to set it aside for the next stage. If this video is actually doing a service to you, please do well to like, share, comment and subscribe. The next to go in is your flavor, and then you start adding your flour a little at a time. Gently mix in between each additions until all the flour and the liquid gets well incorporated. Ensure to mix gently in between each addition, otherwise your flour has a tendency to form gluten in your batter. I am going to be doing another teaching series on gluten formation in cake baking, ways to prevent it and how to remedy it in case it happens. Please watch out for that video, and to do that, have you subscribed? Have you liked? Have you shared this video? You will actually be doing that your friend who is struggling to get a perfect recipe for her cake a disservice if you do not share this video with them. Continue to mix, but remember, gently, just as seen in the video. Add the rest of the flour and then mix gradually. It is up to you. Some people tend to alternate milk and the flour, but in this mixture, I didn't. I just poured everything together. So once the batter is looking like what you have in your video, then it is ready. Set that aside and prepare your cake pan for the batter to be poured in. My cake pans are already lined with a cake liner. You can use a flour and a butter mixture or whatever you feel safe to use. Then divide the cakes. This 500 grams was able to give me 2 8-inch pan and 1 6-inch pan. So these I did, and I popped them right into the oven, and in less than 50 minutes our cake was ready. And what can you say about the beauty of this cake? The flat nature and the color is really appetizing. If you loved what you saw, have you given us a follow? Give us a like. We truly deserve it. And thank you so much for watching to this very end of the video. Till I come your way again with another mind-blowing series, please remain safe and keep baking. You are the best.